Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here. I've got a model review for you. Right, I did a review about a year ago on the Chip Carter mini light-up Enterprise and the rest of the ones in the set. I'm going to redo them because there's another 2 new ones out anyway, so it'd be nice to go through these again, see if they still work and everything. Right, the first one that they brought out originally was a light-up Starship Enterprise. And it comes with the usual nice artwork from Running Press, gives you a little information on the ship, bottom and top. So let's get into this one. Now it comes with a book, a little mini book, tells you a bit about the 5-year mission, schematics and stuff. Nothing that we don't really know as full Trekkers, but it's a nice little introduction to the Star Trek Enterprise. Now it comes as this. A centre section with the primary and secondary hull, the pylons slide in from the side with the nacelles on, and a nice little stand as well. That's on. It looks a little bit out of place to start with anyway, but it does make sense sliding in there, and it's very, very secure on here anyway. It's kind of a lot smaller than the Eagle Moss stuff, but the best thing about this is she lights up. There we go. There's one LED inside here. Obviously it lights up, lights the bottom. You can see it through the windows on the side and through the neck as well. Which is a nice little touch to this, with it being a tiny model. I mean, the size of it is I don't think the Eagle Moss ones were that big. I think they're bigger than that, the Eagle Moss, but these are... They're not massively detailed models, these, but they are what they are. They are quite good, really. And they're quite cheaply priced, these, anyway. I think the most you can pay for one of these is about £10. It's about 12, 13 euros, $15. So they're not over the top detail, but you have got the registry numbers, you've got the side marking there, but they're also internally lit, so it looks out of place, but we'll give it that because it's going to display it like that, and that's that one done. Second one that came along was the phaser. Again, these are all mini models anyway, mini kits. You haven't got to paint them up, they're already pre-done. They're really good. A light up phaser, a bit more on the phaser itself. These both came out at the same time, back in, I think, what, 85 was it, maybe? Yeah, 85. 2013. Wow, where is that time gone? Yeah, 2013 these came out. Both came out at the same time. Comes again with a book showing phasers, types, some of the pictures. So this was in classic series phaser. Nice little pictures of Scotty using it to use it as like a welding tool, a cutting torch. Now, there's no stand with this one, but it just comes as it is. Now, there's a screw on the top, obviously, to probably get into to change the batteries. 3 screws on the side. Nothing moves on this. Nothing turns like another phaser would. Actually, that one does, but that just spins around on top. Type 1 doesn't come out, but lights up on the end. Quite a good little light, that. One LED behind it, but it's very effective how it comes out. I mean, this is the bronze handled one, the blue body and the red and the black Type 1 on the top. I mean, it's all very well detailed as to what it was supposed to look like. Everything's on there that it needs to be, and it lights up as well. So it's not exactly for use as a cosplay, more like you put on your teddy bear or something. So that was the number 2 that came out. We had to wait a little while after that for the number 3 that came out. 2016 on this one. This was the Shuttlecraft, the light-up Galileo Shuttlecraft, is it? Type number 7. Same again. With the box art. Well, they changed it for this one for some reason. They actually made it as a deluxe mega kit for running press. So let's get into this one. Same again, go with the book. Tells you about Shuttlecraft. Again, still next generation, well, the original series. Not touching the next generation era just yet. Gives you a bit of a detail of what's in the series. Now, comes with a Shuttlecraft and a stand as before. Craft 7 Galileo. Strange how the nacelles are a little bit the grey more than the beige or the rest of the ship. But they're a nice plastic, nothing fancy, nothing over the top. I've still got the plastic in that one. Get out. So this will light up. Doesn't light up anything inside. If you could probably take it to pieces, maybe pull these two sections apart, because it looks like this front section is possibly clear. But you turn the light on, it's just the impulse engines on the back glowing away, not the cab lights, which could be an easy upgrade for any model builder. It comes on its own stand again, staying with the Star Trek logo. And there you have it. It's not badly, like I said, the Enterprise was quite okay in detail. Nothing over the top. But for the price you can't really complain. It's a nice little toy really. So then came number 4. Still original series era. Classic Communicator. Giving you a bit on there. Still the same 2016 deluxe mega kit. I don't know why they changed it. Right, we have this wrapped up. Now it's actually a bigger size, this one, than the other equipment. It's like they're doing one ship, one equipment when they're releasing them, but they're only doing 2 per whenever. I wish they'd probably bring more out than these. It'd be really good. And more on the kit. Still got the plastic in that one as well. So, I think you do that with it. That's going on a bit. I don't think they actually had, in the original series, the blue. But it's a nice little touch to it. It's all plastic. Everything's plastic. Looks very authentic. It's down to this strange pattern in the middle. It doesn't move, but you can move it. You can move it around with different angles. Come up with different patterns. Very nice. The aerial comes down. Doesn't make the noise as you open it up. And there are some things out there which do the noise when you open. Right, we come on to the new ones, the ones that I've only just got, and I haven't actually opened these yet. This is the Borg Cube. Now, firstly, going on to the next generation era. See, never been opened. Now, instead of doing Enterprise D, they're going straight for the Borg Cube. Light up and sound. 2018. It was out last year. I never got around to getting this, but finally got it here for you. Still running press in Philadelphia. So let's get inside. Right, so we have, what's that? Warning about batteries, yeah. And we have some introduction on the Borg Cube. Outside the cube, inside the cube. Okay, there's Q, who introduced the Enterprise to the Borg. Queen there. Different types of Borg ships. Let's get into this, shall we? Let's get a scalpel on this piece of sellotape. I can't see it. Strange how it's just wrapped in bubble wrap. Oh, come on. Still running with the original series base with a next generation ship. Now, let's have a look. There's the front. Oh, there's the front. Oh, there's the front. Oh, there's the front. Let's have a look. Can we see if they're any different? Got 6 windows, you've got 6... Oh, they're all different. That's a really good touch, that. They've actually made everything different. And on the bottom, obviously, you've got your speaker. Push button this time instead of a switch, but plastic is in. Let's get this on the stand. There we go. So obviously that must be the front then. You press it.
Freedom is irrelevant. Self-determination is irrelevant. You must comply.
Wow. What is more than? You must comply. Because see inside it. One LED in the middle there, but it is so just the 4 phrases. But that's really good compared to what we've had so far with 2 noises, lights, just light, and then just light. That's absolutely excellent. Really good. I wish I bought this earlier, to be honest now. For some reason, the stand's 2015. Okay. I got quite confused with that one, 2015. Or that one, 2013. Okay. Yeah, that's really good, that Borg one. Really enjoyed that. So let's get on with the last one. This one is the next generation tricorder. Light and sound again. So, same again. All the way around. So at least with this time, they're doing a next generation era. Okay, now this is different again. You got more warnings on your batteries, which is fine. They can warn us. And you got a lot of stickers. Okay, maybe we do something with this. Okay. Next generation. So they use the tricorders through different series and then evolve them a little bit afterwards. There was a medical one, there was a science version of these type at least. There's the medical one with the extra bit on the top and the scanner sort of thing. So let's have a look. Okay. Oh, that clicks back. That's a bit weird. Ah, okay. So does that continue while you're open? So obviously we take these stickers, which there are 2 sheets. Okay. How are you supposed to do that? Oh no, you're supposed to do that. You're supposed to put the stickers on. There you go. Turns the battery off. Right, now do we put the stickers on or don't we? So 1, I'll guess, goes on the end of there. 2, I don't know. Should we put the stickers on? Yeah. Give me a minute, let me get it done with, and we'll put some stickers on this thing. There you go, stickers now applied. Now it looks quite good, however, there's a big massive fault here. I'm not sure if anybody else has picked this up before, but there we go. Right, there's cutouts on here. Let me use a scalpel as a pointer. There's cutouts on... For this section, you take the black screen bit out so it shows what's behind here. But there's a cutout part there. There's 10 in total. 3 for each of these, but they're all printed in the wrong place. You take the bio bit there, but it's the cutout which cuts out all of the bio section. Even though the power standby, it says power and then you can take out the standby. Alpha is printed in the middle. You can see there with the top of the sticker and the bottom bit, it's kind of over the top of it. Alpha is cut straight through the middle where you peel that off. So I'm going to leave them. You can see the blue go up and down. You can't see these lights anymore. See, that section could possibly... It will turn off, trust me. There you go. I mean, that section could possibly come off. I don't know what's behind here. I mean, it's nice it's on here. But it's just, it's badly put together, I think. No, I'm going to leave that alone. You've got lights on there, I think. Actually, I might take that one off. Yeah, I'll have one off. I'm not taking these 3, I'm not taking these 4 off. And there's actually one on here, here and here, but these are the buttons anyway for pressing. That's very odd. If it said alpha above it, then I'd be happy with that, but it's just badly lined up. I'll put that back in so we can open it up without anything. See, the light's in the right place when it comes down each one of these, but it's a shame that it's it's not well lined up for the way they've printed the sticker off. I'm sure having a word with them would be a complete waste of time. These would be, I don't want to say they're out of production, but I wouldn't think they'd send a sticker off to every person who's owned one. Scanners on the front and the panel there. There's obviously not as much detail on this than what you could get from an actual screen accurate replica. Or maybe even the Playmates did some, didn't they, quite a few years ago for the Next Generation. But yeah, for what it is, I'm quite happy with that. Really happy indeed. But I'm absolutely gobsmacked with Borg. It's such a kick-ass line. So there, let's get them all switched on. Switched on. So you can't tell that one without it going like that. So with that, cheap toys, but really quite good. So if you want to go out and buy them, they're on Amazon at the moment. Well, they've been on Amazon for quite a while now. Just look for Chip Carter. Look for Star Trek kits, mini model kits, and go buy some yourself. Get yourself a little phaser as well. Pew pew pew. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed them, because I'm going to start playing with these now, I think. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, right. If you enjoyed this, then put a big thumbs up on this one. If you didn't, then all right, fine. But please consider liking, subscribing for the channel. Really enjoy buying this sort of stuff and showing them you. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.